Dear children, let us continue the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Now, you know the ready reference for the values for the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now, let us find the trick for the trigonometric ratios, that is about sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and cos 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here you know that sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Here let us have the trick to remember all these, that is for the sin 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and also for cos 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now here this is the first finger, that is for 0 degree, and the second finger is for 30 degree, and third finger is for 45 degree, fourth finger is for 60 degree, and fifth finger is for 90 degree. Now for sine theta, to find sine 0 and sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, we have to find the number of fingers before in this direction. For example, this is sine 0 and here there is no finger, and also for sine 30, here there is one finger, and for cos sine 45 there are two fingers, and for 60 degree there are, for sine 60 degree there are three fingers, and for sine 90 degree there are four fingers. And if you take the cos angle, cos 0, for cos 0 you must take the fingers in this direction. For cos 0, here there are four fingers, and for cos 30 there are three fingers, and for cos 45 there are two fingers, and for cos 60 there is one finger, and for cos 90 there is no finger. In this way, with the help of this idea, now let us have the trick for all the trigonometric ratios from 0 degree to 90 degree for sine and cosine. First let us take for the sine, you take sine 0. Sine 0 degree, here we have to take sine 0, and number of fingers in this direction, no fingers, so here number of fingers are 0, that is square root of 0 divided by 2 let us have, then it becomes 0 by 2 equals 0. You know that sine 0 degree is 0. Next, sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree, there is one finger in this direction, so here let us write square root of 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2, that equals 1 by 2. So you got that sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Next, for sine 45. Sine 45 degree, that is 1, 2. Two fingers are there. So you take root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2, that equals, here you take root 2 by root 2 into root 2, that equals 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Next, for sine 60. Sine 60, here 1, 2, 3 fingers are there in this direction. So you take root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Next you take sine 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are there. So you take, that is root 4 by 2, that equals root 4 is 2, 2 by 2 equals 1. So you got that sine 90 is 1. In this way, here you can have the idea about the sine 0, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree. And by using your hand, you can find the values of all these angles, that is the sine of all these angles. Now about the cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90 degrees. Now let us take the first one, cos 0 degree. 0 degrees here. For cos we have to count from this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there. So you write 4, that is root 4 by 2. Root 4 by 2 equals 2 by 2, you will get 1. So cos 0 equals 1. Next, for cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. Write cos 30 degree. For cos 30 degree, here there are 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. So you take root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Next, cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree. For cos 45 degree, there are 2 fingers. There are 2 fingers. So you write cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree means here as there are 2 fingers, you write root 2 by 2 equals, you write root 2 by root 2 into root 2, you will get 1 by root 2, as root 2 cancels. Next, for cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. For cos 60 degree, there are 1 finger. So you write root 1 by 2. Root 1 by 2, that equals 1 by 2. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Next, cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. For cos 90, no fingers. No fingers for cos 90 degree. So you take, that is, no fingers means 0. That is root 0 by 2. That is 0 by 2 equals 0 you will get. This is a trick to find the values of sine 0, cos 0, sine 30, cos 30, sine 45, cos 45, sine 60, cos 60 and sine 90, cos 90. That is number of fingers under the root that you have to take. If there is 1 finger, root 1 by 2. If there are 2 fingers, root 2 by 2. If there are 3 fingers, root 3 by 2. If there are 4 fingers, root 4 by 2. Like this way, we have to use the trick to find the values of the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree for sine and cosine. Once you got sine ratios and cos ratios, you can get the tan ratios and cosec ratios, secant ratios, cot ratios. So by using this trick, you find the values of the cos ratios and sine ratios, and by using that cos ratio and sine ratio, find the tan ratio and other ratios.